2, 3.
So now when you put, a bandage or a coating on the skin, you know it's there, you can feel it, you can see it, and sometimes it can even be uncomfortable.
What we've been able to do is create a cream basically that you can put on the skin, and then once it's on the skin, it can actually form essentially an elastic second skin.
You can start.
This is D3O, okay? So what D3O is a non-Newtonian fluid. And what that means is it's a fabric that absorbs impact. So it's very soft, but upon impact, it goes hard. So it's very soft to touch. And if you look down here, it's very soft. But if I hit this, it goes rock hard. So how do I demonstrate that? Well, if I take a lump of this, and then I put my finger here, and I use this. Actually, no, fuck it. Let's use this. So now, if I go like this, I'm going to chop my finger off, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to use a lump of steel, and I'm going to hit my finger with a lump of steel. Normally that would break my finger, but actually, because D3O, it absorbs the impact. D3O into the inside of the case. So look for the orange line, you can see it. Now what does that mean? Well, what that means is you don't break your phone anymore. So if I was to drop my phone on the floor, it doesn't crack.
Can you show it again?
It doesn't crack.
Oh my god.
So it doesn't crack, and it doesn't crack the screen. I can throw this as high as I like, and it doesn't crack the screen. Because it absorbs the impact.
The challenge with designing an ingestible robot is finding biocompatible materials that are easy to be controlled and amenable to the types of operations that are needed from the robot.
To demonstrate how the robot works, the researchers folded the structure into a capsule made of ice. The ice capsule travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where the ice melts away and the robot unfolds to its functional form. At this point, the robot can be controlled by an external magnetic field to do work, such as the removal of a foreign object from the body. For example, every year 3,500 swallowed button batteries are reported in the US alone. The tiny batteries are digested normally, but if they come into prolonged contact with the tissue of the esophagus or the stomach, the batteries can burn the tissue and become embedded. Now, using the team's new robot, the battery could be removed without surgery.
Once inside the stomach, the robot could be directed to attach to the battery. It could lift the battery from the stomach coating and then eliminate it through the digestive system.
Locate the plug and plant in a sunny wall. Plant your plugs. Enjoy the beautiful process of watching them grow. Then cultivate fresh and nutritious vegetables. Thanks to Plug and Plant's modular design, you will be able to connect as many panels as you like, so you can transform any space into an incredible natural ecosystem with a wide variety of species you can use for culinary purposes, decoration, or even to grow your own medicinal plants.
Hello. My name is Thomas, and this is Naveed. We are inventors in the Lemelson MIT Student Prize Competition.
reality, where digital meets physical.
We spend huge amounts of our day interacting with others around us.
It is a central place to sync any type of device and to display its content from all sides. You can play games with family, connect across generations, work together cooperatively, or compete head-to-head. Make education an engaging experience.
Here in London, fashion designer Manuel Torres is showing what could be the future of clothing. These shirts were created within minutes with a new spray-on material.
It's a fabric which could be for the summer or it could be for the winter. It's all about how many layers you're prepared to spray on this material.
The liquid is made from a suspension of tiny cotton fibers and plastic, as well as a solvent. When it's sprayed, the solvent evaporates and allows the material to harden.
When you spray it, it's a little bit cold, but then when it's on, it's like second skin, and it comes off so easily. It's brilliant.
Just like existing fabrics, the material can be washed and reworn, but it can also quickly be transformed into a new clothing item.
The material themselves, after it's been sprayed, can be dissolved with the same solvent and respray again and again.
Instant fashion is just one use for this new technology. Torres foresees many potential applications, one of these being spray-on bandages.
Here you have totally sterilized material coming from an aerosol can, and you can have additives on it, that you could have drugs, which basically will help you to make healing the wound faster.
Liquipel is a nano coating that protects your device from accidental water damage. Liquipel patent-pending treatment process begins by placing the device in the chamber of the Liquipel machine. The air is removed from the chamber to create a vacuum. Then, a special Liquipel formulation is introduced to the chamber as a vapor, allowing it to permeate all aspects of the device. Liquipel bonds the coating to the surface of the device on a molecular level, finalizing the Liquipel process. Liquipel is a preventative coating. We do not recommend that your device come in contact with water, but if it does, Liquipel will help protect it against accidental water exposure.
Hi, we're here at Liquipel headquarters on launch day of the iPhone 4S. Going to go ahead and do a product demonstration for you. We had a question we wanted to ask Siri ourselves. Do you like to get wet? And today we have the answer. Now, Liquipel is a coating for electronics. It is not a case. We do not recommend that you subject your electronics to this type of moisture, but to show you what our coating does for these electronics, just wanted to run this quick demonstration for you. And here we have the iPhone 4S, Quick Speed, Siri, and now Liquipel.